The Romeo M17 Red Dot quickly established itself as one of the most formidable pistol optics in the world. SAUER has now expanded the lineage with the SIG ROMEO-X SIG-LOC, featuring the Siglock mounting footprint. Siglock technology incorporates 5 total points of lockup that mitigate shock from recoil while eliminating lateral shift from impacts more effectively than standard top-mounted red dots. By securing the front of the housing into a slot and mounting the optic from underneath the slide, more leverage and strength is created in the interface between optic and pistol slide, while allowing a long focal length for less parallax, less reticle distortion, and a clearer and more accurate sight picture. Designed for ultimate durability, the ROMEO-X SIG-LOC housing is constructed of Type 3 anodized 7075 aluminum and finished in a premium Cerakote. The ROMEO-X SIG-LOC optical system is fully enclosed, sealed, and argon purged, so your reticle will never be interrupted by moisture, dust, or debris. The aspherical glass lens produces zero distortion and provides a vastly superior sight picture when compared to traditional lenses, allowing for faster and more accurate target acquisition. Machined anti-reflective surfaces keep you focused when it matters most. The industry's lowest deck height allows a full sight picture and co-witness with standard height sights. 3 MOA, 6 MOA, and circle dot reticle options are available. With SAUER at your side, we also have your back for the long haul with our infinite guarantee, which now covers our electronics for life. The ROMEO-X SIG-LOC is assembled in the USA and is immediately compatible with the P365 fuse and designed for future integration across the 365 and 320 platforms. The SAUER ROMEO-X SIG-LOC, a dominant force in pistol-mounted red dot optics.